Welcome to the Adhikari Academy training for opening a savings account with NSDL Payment Bank through Spice Money. In this training, we will learn about savings account, how to open a savings account in NSDL Payment Bank and its benefit. You will also learn some important things to remember while opening this account. Let's find out about savings account. A saving account is a basic account type that allows you to securely deposit your money in a bank. It ensures the safety and accessibility of your funds whenever you or your customers need them. Customers can withdraw their funds at any time, either digitally or personally. Let's find out what are the benefits of opening a savings account for customers in NSDL Payment Bank. The customer's saving bank account will be opened instantly. There is no requirement for a customer to maintain any minimum balance. Zero non-balance maintenance charges are there. The customer will receive a debit card and a welcome letter kit. Any Indian citizen residing in India and aged 18 years or above can open this account. The customer will need to provide a certain minimum amount for opening the account. When a customer opens a savings account in NSDL Payment Bank, they will need to provide some important documents such as Aadhaar card, PAN card. The most important thing is that the customer's name should match on both the PAN card and Aadhaar card. Make sure that the customer has an active mobile number and a smartphone so that they can use the NSDL Jiffy app and manage their account on their own. It is necessary for the Adhikari to have a biometric machine to open this account. Let's find out how you can open a savings account for your customer in NSDL Payment Bank. Log in to Spice Money B2B web portal using your Adhikari ID and password. Click on the NSDL banking service tile. Watch the compliance video for NSDL CASA, that is current account or savings account. Click on continue, click on the open savings account tile. You can check the features of the savings account here and also share them with your customers. Please note that the Adhikari should first open their current account in NSDL Payment Bank. To open a current account, the Adhikari will need to enter their details on the next page, and within just 3 minutes their current account will be opened. After that, you will be able to open savings account for your customers. This is a one-time process. If you already have a current account in an NSDL Payment Bank, please share this information with the team and then you will be able to use this service. Now enter the customer's details. Enter the customer's mobile number, enter their email address and their PAN card number. Please note to enter the PAN card number in capital letters. Click on Submit. Please note that the designated amount required to open the account will be reserved in the Adhikari's wallet. Upon successful account opening, this reserved amount will be deducted as charges. If the account opening process is not completed, the reserve amount will be released. If the account opening journey is not completed, the Adhikari can reopen the account within 3 days. If the account is not opened within 3 days, the reserve amount will be released within the next 3 days. Click on Pay Now. Now the Adhikari will be redirected to the NSDL Payment Bank page for further process. Adhikari now needs to fill the KYC details. Customers' details will auto-fill on this page, which were filled on the previous page, such as PAN card number, mobile number, email ID. Click on Proceed to complete KYC. The customer will receive an OTP on their registered mobile number. They should retrieve it and enter it here. Then click on Proceed. Now complete the customer's eKYC process. Click on Biometric based eKYC. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Click on Submit. Now enter the customer's Aadhaar number and click on Submit. Select the available biometric device. Place the customer's finger on the scanner and click on Scan. Once the fingerprint scan is done, the customer data will be automatically fetched from the Aadhaar card. Click on Next. Now fill in the other details of the customer. Father or spouse name, mother's maiden name, select income, select occupation, select marital status, click on Next. Fill in the details of the customer who wishes to have a nominee. Nominee name, date of birth, select the relationship with the primary applicant, select the address. If you select the primary applicant's address, it will be auto-fetched. If you select other, then enter the nominee's address, enter the city of the nominee, click on Next. Select Jiffy Advantage by ticking the box. By clicking on Learn More, you can check and inform your customers about the advantages of opening this account. Click on Proceed. Activate the sweep account for the customer. The sweep account is with Kotak Mahindra Bank. As per RBI guidelines, a sweep account in NSDL cannot have a balance exceeding 2 lakh by the end of the day. To address this, NSDL has entered into an agreement with Kotak Mahindra Bank to open a sweep account together. If the customer's account balance exceeds the limit of 2 lakh, the excess amount will be transferred to their sweep account in Kotak Mahindra Bank. Please provide complete information about this to your customers and also explain its benefits to them. Click on Proceed. Now have the customer complete the e-signature. Click on Proceed to e-sign. Enter the customer's Aadhaar number. Select the biometric device. Tick the checkbox. Click on Capture. Place the customer's finger on the fingerprint scanner. Click OK or Scan. Click OK once the customer's fingerprints have been successfully captured. Documents have been successfully signed. Cross-check the customer's details once and also have the customer verify them. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on Next. The customer's saving account has been successfully opened in an NSDL payment bank. Customer's name, ID and account number will start appearing on the screen. Share these details with your customer. Click on Proceed. Click on Download Customer Receipt to share the receipt with the customer. Alternatively, click on Print Customer Receipt to print and share the receipt with the customer. Take the required amount from the customer as per the designated account opening charges. Also guide the customer to download the NSDL Jiffy app from the Play Store and start managing their funds. Now, let's understand the important points you need to keep in mind while opening a savings account in NSDL Payment Bank. Always take customer's consent before opening an account. Capture accurate and complete information of the customer. Provide the customer with complete and accurate information about the account before opening. Please ensure that the customer has an Aadhaar card and the PAN card for account opening. Inform the customer about the service charges or the fees. Provide the customer with information about the features, benefits, charges or fees of NSDL Savings Bank account. Guide customers on the importance of nominee while opening an account and enter correct nominee details. Guide customers to check SMS after every transaction done. Inform the customer that once the transaction is completed, the amount cannot be reversed. Never take a copy of customer's Aadhaar card. Do not take any unauthorized service charges or fees from customers. Do not refuse services to any customer. Do not share the customer's personal details with any third-party organization. Never open any fraudulent or benami accounts. Thank you for completing Adhikari Academy training. Dear Spice Money Adhikari, please keep changing your Spice Money login password from time to time every month, and it is also suggested that the password should be strong enough such that it should have one capital alphabet, one small alphabet, one digit and one special character. Never put your name or your date of birth in the password.